So still exposing what the Chief Justice of Uganda is doing, that is Alphonse Windol. The last time I brought to you what many people didn't know, that is a church. A lot of you appreciate it, but also you are commenting, why not developmental projects that generate revenue, that encourages people, that acts as a demonstration, that can promote livelihood. I've been replying to your comments that he has been doing a lot also. So these are the things you can see, and these are the kind of things that we had to purchase the drone for. And we are going to expose a lot, not only for the Chief Justice, it is going to be a lot for many people. We want the Acholi which is not being seen on the TV to be seen on YouTube and goes worldwide. So the Acholi you don't see on TV, the Acholi you don't talk about on TV is what we are talking about. As you can see, drip irrigation system. This is drip technology. Is being used. These are eggplant and African eggplant. What is called oshok. Some people call bilo, nyanya. And then the African eggplant is what is known as tula and makechi, the one which is somehow bitter. Me personally, I don't like it when you don't cook it well. So here's the thing, the Chief Justice doing it. Look at this, such amazing thing. First, let's go check it with the drone. Let's go hard fly.
Chung na mi ki Uruba, lutu anende upapar wana churiba. Aije, lumona yugo lok tungegang. Ana neno chalo megina, mwana wila pion lek la go toka gubi. Ana neno chalo maikoma, lumona yugo lok tungegang. Ana neno chalo megina, mwana wila pion lek la go toka gubi. Ana neno chalo maikoma, ayaro ketuani ayaro raj, adogo yo boni adogo raj, agwe juin kagani agwe raj, iye ana kimdom nini. Aywe chilo pagani aywe raj, aribu atuani aribu raj, wakogo pia bila ni wakogo raj, iye ana kimdom nini mba. Pegi hero ki mona ya, pegi hero ki mona ba, bum pegi ma okuroro ba. Acholi we, bum pegi hero ki mona ya, pegi hero ki mona ba, bum pegi ma okuroro ba. Acholi we, ana chere logo tarani achera ya ke karaman we achero katingu mona ya. Aye ma we. Ana chere logo tarani achera ya ke karaman we achero katingu mona jaye. Aye ma we. Urumiro chero la mi chere ya ke baka kara chero katingu mona ya. Akena yero dege mi chere ya ke bakaro kara chero katingu mona ba. Mune o rama no ba. Akena moyo nam kayaro ke ken. Mune o no ba. Ukiba moyo nam kayaro ke bakwaro ya. Mune o rama no ba. Pada yo moyo nam kayaro ke ken. Mune o no ba. Ukiba moyo nam kayaro ke bakwaro ya. Kono mi ya biki po eno ba. Elele yo. Ula ba yem yem eno ba. Elele yo. Kono mi ya biki po eno ba. Elele yo. Ula ba yem yem eno ba. Elele yo. Adira mobe. Adira mobe. Adira mobe. Adira mobe. Unonen ko ijeja. Unonen ko kol mi jani ajaye. Unonen dei ko kolina mayam giro ko kere Gimara. Unonen ko waja. Unonen ko kol majani ajaye. Unonen dei ko kolina mayam giro ko kere Gimara. I would one year. I would one madam. I would get my day game and car. The yard my day. And I'm going to
Entertainment, Roslyn Petia Promotion, Abon Cock, Bagolji, Jiwe, Anyarama Lenjaro in Labe, Menyuma Batoro, Anyaratua Kainero, where do you know Kuya? Jiwe, Anyarama Lenjaro in Labe, Menyuma Batoro, Anyaratua Kainero, where do you know Kuya?
La Meromana don't yellow willow. Amira Marcello country Uganda.
La Beabula Jing Macainero, Talaga Woba.
La Meromana don't yellow willow. Amira Marcello country Uganda.
La Megotura Jing Macainero, Jalebanke Guana. La Betty Kinaba, La Betty Chamaba, La Begana Marana. In Antaria Pula Kenyanya, Atonani, Piri Tinaba, Mirapot Kiri Charamara Moro, Angana Kiri Waudiku, Nata Yil Megano Yela, Omiratinga Lukile, they cannot peg a ribuba, Latonga Yukuni Kariwi, Nata Yil Megano Yela, Omiratinga Lukile, they cannot peg a ribuba, Latonga Yukuni Karikumi, Bueno, yeah. La bombe ma boa, qu'on lui dit quoi y est you better gonna move the gumi. Bimot, and a woman bimot. Dumala mula wia, la mula matina. Chiwe, Anyarama Lenkalo in la be, me and Yuma Balonani, and Yaratua Kainero, la be, where do you know Kuya? Chiwe, Anyarama Lenkalo in la be, me and Yuma Balonani, and Yaratua Kainero, la be, where do you know Kuya? Abon Cock, Bagolji.
Nanka Mariqueba la Bena, baby, Amiri Ben Mega. Amiri Ben Mega, Batwalia, Amiri Ben Mega. And then Kiragini Quideba la Tona, Amiri Ben Mega la Bemon, Amiri Ben Mega la Tona, yeah, Amiri Ben Mega. Amiri Ben Mega la Tona, Amiri Ben Mega Matwalia, Amiri Ben Mega la Tona, aye, Amiri Gang Mega. Anana tela chamba la Tona, come anana kakwot. Anana tela chamba la Bena, come anana kakwot ya. Omiro kong tin danga kangriba, nano kireka ol. Omiro tin kong menaga kangriba, nentin ka ol la Bena. Bejuin motoba, piraba. Yeah, I am my baby dream Potoba. Anatia Piuba, Between Yotoba, Anatia Piri, Anatia Piriba, and La Be Manatia Piria. Man Bagolji, and I will be Tino Binoya, Bagolji, the genius, what a jolly. JNC promotion, the Roslyn Daya. Big up. Aya wobe, aya jira. Biriman, ane kandawa, ane kandawa. God's management. Hey ya bibi, mafita de anadero. Hey ya bamba, mafita de anadero. Hey ya bibi, mafita de anadero. Ya bamba, ina yete mega ya. Ane kana te mega ya. Ine kana te mega. Man mo pe ma yele la Bena.
Bagolji featuring Opio Joffrey Tuambueno. Bon Cock. Pila Bergon Moneti Junaba la Bena. Pila Bergon Moneti Junaba la Bena. We get the money kereba. Ada jitala wajaku. We ba get the Kina Mari Kere. La Bena. Anini jere chama chama ba. Anini jere munya munya ba. La Bena. Mucho duguna Julanera inekume La bedana La bena Ronmona inekume Bomba clap selector Chiwe anyara malengchalo in La be me anyuma bal Anyara tuwa kainero la be We duguna kuya Chiwe anyara malengchalo in La be me anyuma bal Anyara tuwa kainero la be We duguna kuya
La punduku Mona lewo tero kelo fastiro wara Akuro don kwe Baba akuro kalam don kwe La punduku Mona lewo tero kelo fastiro wara Korena buru kene di ubuja Lalwero don kene di tim chada Ayoma don kejlet Akena bera kuma Korena buru kene di ubuja Lalwero don kene di tim chada Ayoma don kejlet Akena bera kuma Uniform na boy wako kipak Kitabuka no rungura Galam no kene mapeya Fostino tira tikelo kalam Aye Kitabuka no rungura Galam no kene mapeya Ukero tira bikelo kalam Mona lobo ngu wana wako kiyo Todwando kiraka warada Akena don kene manyeba Mona lobo ngu wana wako kiyo Todwando kiraka yeng warada Lutua don kijwala chuva pere Tendo baba Le puno kwara pa uya paya Ngatin mono poyo koriana Fostino don pe Report ka tendo baba Akeno karo pe namba chel Ngatin mono poyo koriana Fostino don pe Akuro don kwe Baba anakuro kalam don kwe La punduku Mona lewo tero kero fastino wara Akuro don kwe Baba anakuro kalam don kwe La punduku Mona lewo tero kero fastino wara Korena buru kene biubuja Lalwero don kene di tim chada Ayoma don kejlet Akena bera kuma Korena buru kene biubuja Lalwero don kene di tim chada Ayoma don kejlet Akena bera kuma Nyababa da danu dayo makwiri Niket kumango malugo chini enilo tuwa Abeyo kore kwe ulwero no be Wood kod pala yengu no kwaro makwiri Niket kumango malugo chini enilo tuwa Alur kore kwe Kele metina dot mono ngatiku Da dama unmalula.
So this is it. You have seen the activities that Chief Justice is doing. Still, we are going to go to many other places. For now, we are doing the one for Chief Justice. But we are going to go many places. People are calling me to go and cover theirs. You book, and then I come with the only the transport needed. And I do my part. And the people get to know what you're doing. It sells your business. It inspires other people. We have a lot of big Acholi in the government who are just sitting there. They're not investing back at home. And this is what should be done. Amazing thing. This project is helping a lot of people. First of all, it's a water catchment point. People are using it for several purposes in that water. Fish is being caught also from the dump that you saw and are being sold to even there are people who come and buy some products here and go with it up to Kenya. So you can see horticultural crops. You know, the future is harsh on horticulture because of climate change. Things like cabbages, tomatoes, onions are not easy, and they are the ones that can make you get rich, not for bell. You see, not for bell cannot make you get rich. And even it's not easy to do things like Kale and so on because the land is poor. And also we take a look at Simpson. Well, they are good to do it, but horticulture is always there, because on a daily basis people are using thousands of onions, thousands of tomatoes. You need these greens for your health, like the skuma wiki, the cabbages, and the rest. So this is so amazing, and I think to show encouragement also to me, yeah, you let me know what you think about this, and if the vibe is positive, subscribe so that you vibe along with me. And also, as I always say, people like the Chief Justice, we need to have them in our hearts. And big up to you who has watched this video, and I wish you a nice time.